Welcome to the Neurorobotics Studio overview. Neurorobotics Studio allows you to learn about neuroscience and robotics, create brains for robots, integrate those robots, run experiments, share your creations with others, and discover other users' creations to build upon them. Learn from our tutorials about robotics and neuroscience with step-by-step videos that have both voiceover and captions. Create artificial neurons and wire them together to build a brain from scratch or customize an established design. Choose from diverse virtual or physical embodiments. Thanks to our ever-evolving platform, new ones are being added all the time. Experiment with your artificial brain in the Brain Visualizer environment to test your creation's capabilities. Discover content made by other users and use them as a starting point for your work, or simply add it as a building block to your own robot brain. Share your findings with the community so other people can leverage and improve upon your creation.